Okay, so it says that the density is 13.6. Write that as a vertical fraction.
Okay.
And the other number they give us is 22.4 grams. So this is a problem where it's not so obvious what is the starting point, because it wasn't that they gave us the density off in the side. And so we look at these two numbers, and we look at the units on those numbers. This one has grams per milliliters. Say the unit out loud. Anytime you use the word per in the unit, it's probably going to be a conversion factor and not your starting point, like 95% of the time. So then we say, oh, well, this is just grams. That's my starting point. So first we have to identify where we're starting, because if you start from the wrong place, you'll end up in the wrong place. So 22.4 grams is where we're starting. We want to end up with volume. Okay, so does it tell us what volume unit we have to use? No, it doesn't. If we look at that density, grams per milliliter, what volume unit is in there? Milliliters. So it would be easiest if we used the milliliters. So that's what we'll do. We'll go from grams to milliliters. The density is our conversion factor. So I'm going to start up over here. So 22.4 grams, our path has one arrow. We have one fraction. Grams per milliliter. Grams to milliliter. That's what Dora says. Grams. First we started grams, then we go to milliliters, and that was just a really short episode. So grams to milliliters. Grams goes on the bottom, so those cancel out. There's a pattern here, and you may have to just struggle through this like 50 times before you start to see the pattern. If you keep at it, you will see the pattern. The light will go on, and it's awesome. Several people, I think the light went on today, and it's good, huh? It's good when you're like, oh, that's what you're doing. Okay, so here we go. We've got our units in place. And so then we just screw up and screw up. Okay, stupid thing. Over here, we have grams per milliliters. 13.6 is in front of grams. So we have to take this guy and put him in front of grams over there. We can't put him on the top. 13.6. On the top, if you need a number, it's going to be 1. So then 22.4 times 1 divided by 13.6. And it says 1.647058824, and the unit is milliliters. Then we talk about significant figures. This number has 3 significant figures. This number has 3. Our answer should have 3. So 1.6, we're going to round up to 5. I'm zoomed in way too far. And that's our answer.